welcome to Blue Back North channel. We has a yes, better go ahead and tell you. Welcome to Blue Back North channel. I'll run that intro and we'll talk about it. We'll tell you about it. We'll get on with it. Too late. I had a thought popped in my head. Now anyway, I guess go ahead and say it. I wasn't going to say much about it. Wasn't going to even mention it. But sooner or later, there'll be questions. But yeah, me and Beth are getting a divorce. Ooh, doggy in the road. Nah, just kidding. Speaking of doggy, El Doggo. So, reason why I wasn't going to say that, because I don't want to hear, oh, how you doing? I'm sure, you know, I don't want no condolences or nothing like that, or no poor me deals. It is what it is. I just don't like having the, how you doing? You doing all right? I just don't like that. I just, you know. Anyway, back in of January, middle of January, somewhere along in there. I don't know the exact date. We had to put Bohannon down, or euthanize him, or whatever. He quasi alive. Just he couldn't get around anymore. He couldn't get up, and I guess we let him suffer for like 3 days before. Well, kind of hoping, you know, I don't know. You kind of hope he got where he couldn't get around. His back legs just wasn't going to work with him no more. And then at night, he'd be fine. You're like, man, I made him a pallet that they're next to us and all. But then he whines all night. Ooh, and just, oh, it breaks your heart. But and then, well, see, she couldn't take him. This is the first dog I ever had to do that with. Most dogs either get hit by a car or die of old age, you know, or run away. I had a lot of dogs in the past when I was a kid. Just he must have ran away. You don't have to think about it. I think they just didn't want to. Which is worse, telling your dog passed or it ran away? I don't know. Either way, now I think about it, it might have been that was just their way of not having to deal with. We'll keep looking for them. We always had dogs growing up, you know. They made a. We didn't get them. We buried them. We didn't do the cremation deal. It's probably been an arm and a leg. I mean, it's bad enough what it costs to euthanize them. Of course, you know, I had to carry them to the truck and put them in the truck and made them, you know, and then they came out and did it in the truck, so we wouldn't have to bring them inside, and you know, we could have a deal with it. And then she got to explain everything. Oh, he's a good, you know, I don't want to talk about it. Let's just get it over with so I can get it done. And, you know, you know how it is. I guess, I don't know if we may not, but I don't want nobody have to do that. But that's part of it. I mean, how long do you let them suffer before, you know, there's no curing for him. He already had the cancer deal. We got it took off. And the boxers are just bad. Boxers and Dalmatians, and each dog's got their own little quotes about them, about hip depressment and stuff like that. The bigger the dog is, the worse it was. But anyway, we that's where Bohannon's. He's in doggy heaven now. So don't give me no sorry, you know, just, you know, maybe a thumbs up, I guess. I don't want to talk about it any more than that. So you can go watch that video there and that one there and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on down the road. We'll have something happy to talk about next time. Later.